Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. Sam has a car. Again. Sam has a car. Your turn to read, children. The jet is red. Again. The jet is red. Your turn to read, children. The cat can nap. Again. The cat can nap. Your turn to read, children. The rat is mad. Again. The rat is mad. Your turn to read, children. Ted has a pet. Again. Ted has a pet. Your turn to read, children. Dad is not mad. Again. Dad is not mad. Your turn to read, children. The hen can peck. Again. The hen can peck. Your turn to read, children. I pat my cat. Again. I pat my cat. Your turn to read, children. Pam can clap. Again. Pam can clap. Your turn to read, children. Meg can help. Again. Meg can help. Your turn to read, children. The pet can get wet. Again. The pet can get wet. Your turn to read, children. The fat cat is sad. Again. The fat cat is sad. Your turn to read, children. Ben is on his bed. Again. Ben is on his bed. Your turn to read, children. This car is new. Again. This car is new. Your turn to read, children. The bed is big and soft. Again. The bed is big and soft. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. Sam has a car. The jet is red. The cat can nap. The rat is mad. Ted has a pet. Dad is not mad. The hen can peck. I pat my cat. Pam can clap. Meg can help. The pet can get wet. The fat cat is sad. Ben is on his bed. This car is new. The bed is big and soft. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.